Hi guys, today I will check is it possible to rotate the drum in a different program, service mode, or whatever. First, if it's not work, let's see how the drum is moving. Easy. Huh. If I try to move it faster, there is some break. Now it's okay. If I go faster, look at it. Let's switch it on. Move Silk, my favorite program. Let's see. It's very hard. It's not. Okay. It's almost impossible. Let's put it on pause and try again. Exactly the same. The opposite way. Now it's okay. It's time for service mode. It's easy. Try with the right hand. Yeehaw! Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Just one more time. Woo! Next time with legs.